Hello, a very good morning to you. We are finally approaching the weekend and what feels like a very long week for many of us. Further showers feeding through across the northwest this morning and quite a cloudy start in places. The best chance of any brightness today will be the Isle of Man, and we'll see a few more showers moving through across the region as we go through the day today. Quite a blustery wind for Irish sea coasts, and it's feeling chilly, but temperatures at 7 Celsius are in fact around average for the time of year. Heading through into this evening, quite a few showers for a time, and then it will become dry and clear and temperatures will drop away. So there's the potential for a few icy stretches tonight and maybe some Pennine fog as we approach dawn. 1 or 2 showers continuing in the far west as we head through the night, but for most of us, a dry start to Saturday. Frosty in places tomorrow morning and a few showers again for the Isle of Man, North Wales coast to start the day. Lots of sunshine getting out across the region tomorrow, and it should be largely dry into the afternoon. Feeling chilly though if you're heading out and about, wrap up warm. 5 or 6 Celsius will feel cold tomorrow. Looking ahead, high pressure's in charge, and that means lots of dry weather, a cold, wintry theme with some sunshine on offer and frost and fog to come each night. Thank you. Good afternoon. The weekend is upon us. High pressure is building in and it's looking dry and settled over the next few days. Today, however, a few more showers feeding through across the northwest. Quite a blustery wind this afternoon. And 7 Celsius is around average for the time of year, but it's beginning to feel quite chilly. And showers continue for a time this evening before drier weather for many of us overnight. Temperatures dropping away to around freezing. So the potential for a few icy stretches and a frosty start to the day tomorrow. The northwest enjoying some sunshine tomorrow after a chilly start to the day. A few showers for the Isle of Man, North Wales coast, but for most of us fine and sunny and feeling cold. Bye-bye. And there's some better news weather-wise on the cards as we head through this weekend and into next week. I'll have all the details later on in the programme. And after a wetter than average start to January, some better news weather-wise on the horizon. I'll have the full forecast in a few minutes. Thank you. A very good evening to you. It certainly felt like a long week for some of us. The weather, at least, is improving as we head into this weekend. High pressure will build in. Essentially, things become dry from tomorrow afternoon onwards, and next week will feel colder with some decent sunny spells to look forward to, and frost and fog around by night. This is the cold plunge of air coming in from the north across the UK, and high pressure in place certainly for the next 5 or 6 days, keeping things dry and allowing the ground just to soak up all that rainfall we've seen in recent weeks. Now back to this evening, a few showers for western areas, the Isle of Man, North Wales coast, but for most of us, a dry night to come, a touch of fog up on the tops of the Pennines and frost. And because we've had showers today, a few icy stretches no doubt here and there before tomorrow morning. Just something to be aware of. It hasn't been icy for a while, so we start the day tomorrow a little bit slippy in a few places. On to tomorrow, the sun will be up at 8:27 and sets at 4 tomorrow afternoon. Saturday, a frosty, fine start for many of us. Again, a few showers feeding through Irish sea places, certainly the Isle of Man, but for most of us dry. Lots of sunshine on offer, mist and fog lifting, and into the afternoon. Decent weather to get out and about, but wrap up warm, 5 or 6 degrees at best. Another frost to come tomorrow night, quite widely across the northwest of England and for the Isle of Man. And Sunday will be a dry day, bits and pieces of cloud around, but hopefully some brightness. And more sunshine will develop as we head into next week. It remains chilly by day and night with frost and fog featuring. Have a great weekend.